Hello, and welcome to Scrum Master Certification course. Let's begin by looking at an overview of Agile. What is Agile? Why is it useful? Who can use Agile? And other concepts of Agile in brief. So first, let's see what is Agile. According to popular Agile guru Jim Highsmith, being Agile is to possess the ability to both create and respond to change in order to profit in a turbulent business environment. Agility is the ability to balance flexibility and stability. Agile is being adaptive to change, being flexible, being able to cope with change. Now let's seek answers for the next question. What is the need for Agile? Before we answer this question, let's look at the factor that contributed to the development of this approach. We will take the example of the smartphone market to understand the need for adaptability. Rapidly changing market and technology, the need to be cutting edge, shrinking the time to market of products, and increased innovation from the customer end, reduction of testing and experimentation costs, simulations and automation. Customer value is delivered at point of sale, not at the point of plan. Need for an adaptive method of development rather than traditional predictive methods. It is in such rapidly changing environments that predictive methods do not succeed, and we seek adaptive methods for project management. It's interesting to note that the practice of Agile is not restricted to software development only. It can be used in any project irrespective of its complexity. Any industry that faces rapid changes will find Agile helpful. Fast-paced changes in technology, systems, as well as in customer behavior have rendered traditional models of management inefficient. The failure of these models has given rise to methodologies with Agile values. In our next module, we will learn about adaptive project management. Thank you for learning with us.